Do you guys see that freaking hairline on this wig? So freaking cute. Alright guys, absolutely stunning right here. Absolutely stunning. So it's been a while since I've worked with Myfirstwigs.com, but you guys know this company has been around for a long time. This was actually one of the first companies that I worked with that actually kind of set my career off. So shout out to Myfirstwigs. This unit is absolutely stunning from start to finish on this company. From the beginning of time when I started working with them, they have completely improved their units, guys. This unit is so gorgeous, so pretty, very, very nice. Now this unit, I'll leave all the information right here for you guys. This unit is 20 inches long, and the texture of this unit is called the popping curls. And as you guys can see, the curls are thin on this unit. And not only the curls, guys, this Swiss lace, this clean lace, do you guys see that freaking hairline on this wig? You can't tell me nothing, baby. You can't tell me nothing. The hairline is slamming. Like, look at how realistic this unit is. And just to start off, this is a same day install unit, guys. I did not do anything to this unit whatsoever. With this unit, it already came pre-plucked and all that kind of stuff. It already came bleached, so I didn't have to go ahead and do all that additives. If you're an amateur and do not know anything about bleaching or tweezing, just order from this company because they do it for you. Simple, affordable. You guys know, I'll leave a coupon code down below. The unit is very nice if you're looking for something for a spring vacation, summer vacation. It's the perfect length. It's 20 inches long. Now, the one thing I like about this unit, and sometimes I don't like my units to be this density, but this density is 130%. And the thing I like about 130% density from this company is that it looks real AF. So it's not overly full. It's the perfect amount of density and the perfect amount of hair. So you're not going to get any peekaboo areas in the back right here. You guys know what I'm talking about. So the hair is fully nice. It's very beautiful. And obviously when you wet and let it air dry, it actually brings out the curls a little bit more. So you get a little bit more oomph than you got in the beginning. So look at that, guys. Look at that hairline. All I did was like a little baby hair magic on both sides. Very cute and clean. And like I said, the hairline, like, y'all done did something with this one. So the hairline is impeccable, guys. The unit is very pretty. I would say you can go ahead and style it differently. I'll turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. With the wigs from Myfirstwigs.com, they usually make it a pretty nice fit. So therefore in the back area, kind of hide some of the lace so you'll be able to put your hair up in a ponytail or a bun. So I'm going to go ahead and clip it because this style right here is actually a really popular style. I see a lot of girls rocking this like, ooh, it looks cute. See, I like a wig that you can do hairstyles like this with, and it just be popping and it looks really cute. Now the clips came from Myfirstwigs.com. When you order your wig, you'll actually get some hair clips and a comb. So I'm just going to use their clips just to kind of put this up into a different style for you guys, just to give you guys options. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. It's actually very seamless in the back, so you won't be able to see any lace or anything like that. So you'll end up having a very clean look. Let me know, what is it? So freaking cute. So freaking cute. Come on, Myfirstwigs.com. Like, this unit is so cute, guys. Look at that. And the length is perfect too, 20 inches. I don't even have to go ahead and trim this part out. I feel like this is like, who are you? This is so cute, guys. Absolutely love this. Like I said, I will turn around and show you guys the back, but this is lovely, guys. I love a unit like this that looks good down and looks up and looks good up. And this is 20 inches, like I said, so you don't really need that long length, especially if you're going on a tropical trip. Obviously, with this install today, I did go ahead and spray it down. I used the Wigs by Candy Lace Melting Spray. One of my subscribers sent this to me, bomb.com. And I'm running low. I'm running low if you're watching this. I'm running low. Bomb. It really glues these wigs down to the TT, girl. So I already preset it, guys. So when you guys saw me put it on, you guys saw that I really technically did not have to glue it down. But because I set it up this way, when I reinstall this unit, it'll actually land like this, and it should actually stay in placement this way. I usually like to set my wigs like that, and I actually make the ear tab area here, the baby hair area, kind of like larger, so that just in case if I don't glue it down, that the lace kind of like, you know, the baby hair hides the lace right here. So I tend to do that with wigs like this. When I put it on, it fit really snug, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna be able to transform this one into a glueless unit without a problem. So on my up and coming trip next week, it'll be nice to bring this unit as well. And I was crossing my fingers this unit came in just in time for my trip. This is the perfect unit to actually install going on the trip, and then if I feel like it doesn't last that long with the install, I could just take it off and put another unit on. So I will probably be installing this unit for my trip coming up. So fabulous, guys. So I'll leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Myfirstwigs.com. Very, very gorgeous. The perfect look. Everything about it is super cute, guys. Styles very nicely, and it's just giving the vibes. It's very beginner friendly, guys. So if you don't know how to do anything to this unit, you just know how to put it down, like glue it down or spray it down, then this is the unit for you. I showed you guys just cutting the baby hairs is very simple. Didn't do all that jazzy stuff to it. Just swig them in and kept it pushing. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. All the information will be left down below per usual, guys. And I'll catch you guys in a later one. Bye.